Welcome to today's upside down oddball camera angle video. Now, a little while ago, I went looking for an alternative to Solvol after they stopped making their block of soap. Now, just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. I've already done my sponsored video, but I contacted an Australian company, EnviroFluid, who make grit mitts, and they sent me a bunch of these blocks to try out. Now, there's my initial video with my initial reactions. That was payment for the shipment they sent me. They sent me some for free and said, do us a video, tell us how it was like, what you think of it. Now, I gave a few of these blocks away, one of which was to my mother, who reckons this is the best thing since sliced bread for cleaning the stove. Now, on the way home today, it's a very, very humid, moist day, and the steering wheel in my 6-wheel drive Land Rover is all sticky and horrible. It's been like that since we got it. And normally I'd use spray and wipe, and it takes about 4 or 5 passes. But I found with this stuff, when I wash my hands and grease and stuff, it generally takes 1 pass. And one thing my mother did is she said she used a wet rag and she's cleaning the stove and stuff with it. And we'll see how it gets this stuff off as the steering wheel. I'm just using a microfiber rag that's a bit wet, and holy crap. I have done this countless times over the years and it's never been this easy. Holy crap. My mother was right. I call her my senior advisor because she's often right about these things. Well, I got my steering wheel clean. I'll give you a bit of a shot close up. This is going to be a bit of a quick video, just because it's one of these problems I've been trying to solve for ages. Now, one of the reasons I'm still pushing this soap, even though I'm not getting paid at this point to do it, is that it's actually genuinely an excellent product. I'm happy to endorse it without being paid, and I approached these guys because I already had kind of seen what their stuff could do. So yeah, that is excellent. Now I've got a dry rag down here, although it's a bit dirty, but we'll just wipe it clean. That is the cleanest Land Rover steering wheel I've ever had, and I've got 2 of them. That is excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Oh. And this stuff doesn't dry your hands out like Solvol used to. Oh my God, it feels new. And that little phrase there, I'm going to have to tick a tick box when I put this video up that says it contains mild profanity. Anyway, that is crazy good. Well, I wouldn't have thought to actually moisten a rag with this stuff. Oh, this will be great. Now when it gets humid, my steering wheel won't get sticky. Look, seriously guys, this video isn't paid, and I'm not sure which way up I'm going to put the video here, but this stuff, Australian made stuff, it's every bit as good as Solvol and then some. Definitely, look, I am glad I contacted these guys, and yes, they sent me 12 blocks for free. But holy crap. Yeah, this is going to be their bonus video that they didn't expect to get. So, all right, I'll see you in the next one. But I found a way to get the Land Rover steering wheels clean, and that has been bugging me for something like 7 years now, ever since I got the other one. In fact, I'm going to go do my other 4B right now. All right, so this one is my 4-wheel drive, and I cleaned this with Ajax brand spray and wipe about 6 months ago, and it's already dirty again. And you can probably tell from the magpies and the rain that it's kind of humid at the moment. The magpies are taking shelter under our carport. This is like quicker than spray and wipe. I've only got to do 1 pass. Magic stuff. Absolutely magic stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is great. I don't know what they put in this stuff, but geez, it works well. Oh, nothing like a clean steering wheel. And I am undiagnosed Asperger's syndrome, at least as yet. I'm going to seek an adult diagnosis soon, but stuff like this bugs me no end. If the things I'm handling when I'm driving are sticky or tacky, that texture drives me absolutely bonkers. Oh, that is beautiful and clean. Oh, magic, guys. Get yourself some of this stuff. I think Repco sell it, and there's a few other shops that do. Anyway, I'm gonna actually go and hit them up, and I'm gonna pay for a bulk order because I want more of this stuff. All right, see you later, and we'll have a more in-depth video on something that's less advertising-esque later on.